My name is Patricia Taylor. I'm a sophomore studying political science and history on a pre-law track, and I'm also a first-year programs associate at Harpur Edge. I attended the Python crash course with Professor Stephen Moore. All the students at the course learned the basic foundations of Python coding. We were able to make and run our own code. It was a lot of fun, and it was a great environment for anyone, no matter what their level of coding was. I would definitely recommend the Python crash course and any of our other crash courses because it's a great way for Harpur students to learn about a new skill that they wouldn't normally learn in their regular schedules. And they're also all free, so they're really great opportunities that all Harpur students should take advantage of. All Harpur students can sign up for this event by going on to Be Engaged, looking up Harpur Edge, and then going to our events.